Southbound, still crossing Third Street. 137, you still alive?
A firm, Fair and Peters, permission to pit.
Stay red.
Copy. Coming up to, should be coming up to Whitehall next. Stand by.
Sounds like you're alone. Do you still have a secondary unit?
That's a negative. Continuing over McDaniel. Yes, I do have a secondary unit, if they can call it.
I'm not behind the north side. So I got call for. Alright, Phoenix, we got it. Let us call it. We got it.
Got it on Peters going westbound. Westbound on Peters. Westbound on Peters. Westbound on Whitehall. Coming up to Oak. Long lanes of travel. Gonna be going 70 plus. Still on Whitehall.
Heavy traffic over here, y'all. Heavy traffic over here. Almost 41. We are still south on Whitehall, crossing over 48.
Heavy traffic over here, y'all. Heavy traffic over here. Almost 41. We are still south on Whitehall, crossing over 48.
60 miles wrong lane. Travel again, back on the right side. Green state. It's supposed to be on 41 feet. 41 feet. Very good. Scale to that corner. Nice traffic over here.
41 P. Marietta Pitchman.
Hey, just crossed over Lee. Still on Whitehall. You got heavy.
Switch to the other zone. Phoenix should be the only one talking on this radio.
Alright, we're still on Lee. Ooh, 41 spinning out. He's
Gonna be on Lee. He just gained control. We gained control.
spinning out. It's gonna be right on Lee. He just gained control. We gained control. Continuing on Lee. The vehicle is slowing down. Still with it. Just stopping in the middle of the intersection. The vehicle has stopped. Gonna be at Lee and Oakland. Lee and Oakland, you got a driver running out. I'll stay with the driver.
Hey, coming up on your six. Coming up on your six. Hands. Don't you fucking move. Hands up. You're gonna crawl over this seat with your hands up. You understand me? Let's go. Crawl, motherfucker! Crawl now!
You don't crawl, you'll get tased, bitch!
On the ground! Don't you move! Hands down!
Hey, you got him? I'm gonna go with him.
Don't you move, I swear to God.
Hey, are you good?
Stand by.
I got a question.
Go.
I got a question.
But it's not question time. It's not talking time. Any guns in the car? Come over here. Scoot, I don't give a fuck what you gotta do. Let's go. Don't move. Face down. Don't move. Face down. Don't move. Stop moving. Yeah.
Black pants, black sneakers. Alright, he's gonna be giving.
Get out of there!
I got cuffs.
I'm sorry, sir. I didn't know.
No, you're not. You're good. I got him.
I'll tell you what the road short tag, Robert, 990.
Where at? No pain, it's right here. Right here. I got some scissors. Watch yourself. Stop moving them.
I'm putting him on
He's good.
He's good.